After sign up, you are presented with a dashboard which gives you a snapshot of all relevant information on Circles. You need to set up your church at this point to enjoy the full benefits of the platform. The first thing to do is to set up your organization's hierarchy. This is done by clicking on the organization tree and choosing Levels. The Levels tab allows you to set the structure or hierarchy of your organization. For example, if your organization hierarchy is named Country, District, and Zonal, you can set up all these levels by clicking the Add button. This provides a pop-up box which allows you to specify the name of the level and to give a description. Submitting the information displays the information provided in the table. Next, you need to specify the details per each level indicated. This is done by clicking the Sub-Levels button. This will redirect you to a new page where you can specify the actual details for each level. You do this by clicking the Add button on the top right corner of the screen, which also provides a pop-up box with two options for upload. Next, you set up the branches in your organization by clicking the Branches tab and the Organization tree. You will need to provide all relevant information displayed. To add a new branch, click on the Add button at the top right corner of the screen. This displays a pop-up box with two options for upload. Select your preferred option to upload your branch details as displayed. After setting up the branches, you can proceed to set up the department for your organization. This is done by clicking the Department tab and the Organization tree. The department page is divided into two, one for all departments in the organization and the other for branch-specific departments. To add a new department, click the Add button at the top right corner of the screen and provide the relevant information. After creating your department, the next step is to add your members. This is done by clicking the Members tab and adding the member details requested. To add a new member, click on the Add Member button and follow the prompts to enter all relevant details. Every member is expected to belong to a family. This is important to help church administrators efficiently manage families. Once the family setup is done, your church is fully set up and ready to run on Circles.